Hey guys, Luke to the Bun here. You'll notice throughout the video that this is Policemike's base. I knew where it was for a really long time. I just chose not to grief it because I was waiting till it got really good. Anyways, Policemike started really annoying me past couple of days, so I decided why not just do it today. Anyways, you'll notice throughout the video that it's not me commentating, it's my friend Tytowns281. He's griefing this base with me. It's a really nice base, so enjoy guys. Also, please note that I'm not making this video to show how good I am, because I'm not even that good. But I'm making it just to show you how good his base was and how it was me that took it down. Alright, thanks guys.
When the taints it gets griefy means this is fucking beautiful. And everything's flammable. Oh my sweet Jesus, give me a fucking flint and steel. Wait, look at me. Oh, no, just look at me. I almost feel like you should have a commentary. Yeah. Heard that. Dude, this is fucking like, do you understand what goes into this stone brick? You have to smelt stone, and then you have to smelt the stone and take it and turn it into stone brick by using ore. Like, this thing took so much time. Is this the World of Warcraft group that you were talking about? I can't do all this. This is just too much work. We need more people. That is this train station is just beautiful. Holy fuck. Like, fuck. I can't get over this. No? Yeah, I'm gonna go get some more sand. Yeah. Okay, I don't even know where I am anymore. Like, that fucking glass thing. You see shit like this on creative servers, but like not on servers like this. Not legit. Like, I don't even know what's in this fucking thing. It's like a lake. I'm lost. Where's that main chest room? I can't even find it. Because that's where I go to find the sand. I wish we could fly. Oh, there it is.
Believe it or not, I die here.
I'm getting sand. What? No worries. Can you imagine just stumbling upon this, like, randomly? I wish I could just auto mine sand. Fuck, this is brutal. I pretty much need to fill up the rest of my inventory with sand. Hmm. What if a pop-bob just were to sign on right now? We'll be like, welcome to the neighborhood. It has been renamed Hell. Whatever. Seriously? That's brutal. How did you used to record stuff? How did you used to record stuff? Oh. Yeah. I don't know. I'm mining sand. 4 stacks of TNT.